I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal cookies chewy. To start, use melted butter instead of softened butter. This helps create a softer, richer cookie. Next, ensure you're using more brown sugar than white sugar, as brown sugar adds essential moisture and chewiness. Finally, consider adding an extra egg yolk to your recipe for an even richer flavor and a wonderfully tender crumb. These initial steps are crucial for that perfect chewy texture. Let's dive deeper into ingredients. For ultimate chewiness, aim for a ratio of at least 2 parts brown sugar to 1 part white sugar. This balance is key for moisture retention. Also, a blend of all-purpose flour with about 1/4 bread flour can give your cookies a delightful chew. Remember, gentle mixing is vital. Overmixing develops gluten, which can lead to a tougher cookie, so mix just until combined. Baking technique is paramount for chewy cookies. Try baking at a slightly lower temperature, around 325 degrees Fahrenheit, for a few extra minutes. This allows them to cook through without drying out. The most important tip: do not overbake. Remove your cookies from the oven when the edges are just set but the centers still look a little soft. Also, chilling your dough for at least 30 minutes helps prevent excessive spreading. Proper cooling and storage are essential for maintaining that desired chewiness. After baking, let your cookies cool on the hot baking sheet for about 5 minutes. This allows them to set up without becoming brittle. Then, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. For long-lasting chewiness, store your oatmeal cookies in an airtight container. A clever trick is to add a slice of plain bread to the container. It helps keep them wonderfully soft.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.